So today here I am going to discuss that is one questions related to the simple harmonic motion. So question is what basically two pendulum of length 121 centimeter and 10 centimeter start vibrating in phase. Done. At some instant the two are at their mean positions in the same phase. The minimum number of vibration of the shortest pendulum after which the two are again in phase at the mean position. Done. Like that they are asked. So basically I am going to assume a longer pendulums having length 121 centimeter, that is naming A. So this is your longer pendulum and then their length is 121 centimeter, that is given L1 121 centimeter. Their naming I am, this is A, this is A pendulum, and then another pendulum B pendulum. This is how much length? Their length is 100 centimeter, given L2, that is 100 centimeter given. Done. They are asked, both are start oscillating from the mean position. Done. So this is mean position, and then this is also mean position. You have already know, in case of this simple pendulum their time period is how much? Time period, if you write, so that is equal to 2 pi under root L by C, this much. Done. So from there if you see there, so what you can say, time period that is directly proportional to time period that is directly proportional to root under length, this you can say from there. Done. So basically if there is a two pendulum, so if you relate this proportionality, what you can write, time period of pendulum A by time period of pendulum B. So what you can say, that is L1 by LA by LB, like that. And if you substitute this value, that is how much? 121 by 100 centimeters. So this is 11 by 10 coming. Then this much is coming. So after that if from there, if you can decide from there, means pendulum A, they are take 11 second to complete one oscillation. So then this time period B, pendulum B, they are take how much time? That is 10 second. So from there what you can say, means if angular velocity, if you write there, so what you can write, that is angular frequency, that is equals to 2 pi by T. So the pendulum which is take more time, having less angular frequency, from there you can see, if you can say like that, means if time period of pendulum A have more, so their angular frequency of A there is less. Done. Like that. And if time period of pendulum B they are less, so that is angular frequency of B they are more. Done. Like that. So what means, from there what you can say, means if A complete in 10 second one oscillation, so A completes 11 second in one oscillation, so B they are complete in only 10 second one oscillation, like that. Done. So from there what we can say from there, means if the A pendulum they are complete an oscillation, so in same duration of time, this B pendulum they are complete how much? N plus 1 oscillation. Done. Means because they are coming again in same phase, like that. Suppose if this is a circle. Done. And there is a two cat, cat 1 and another cat at same position, there is a another cat, that is C2. Done. Cat A have how much? 5 meter, or you can say cat A have 10 meter per second speed, and cat B have, that is 5 meter per second. Then so suppose in in 1 second, or you can say in 2 seconds, if they are complete one revolution done. So cat B or cat 2, you can say they are only complete half portion, like that done. So again in 2 second they are complete 2 revolution, but cat 2 they are complete in complete how much, only 1 revolution, like that done. So from there what you can say means, if one they are complete 2 revolution, so in same duration of time they are complete only 1 revolution done, or only 1 complete revolution circle, like that done. So from there you can say in same, if these simple pendulums they are oscillate and in a t duration of time, so this B simple pendulum they are complete how much, n plus 1 duration, means t durations of time, how much oscillation, that is n plus 1. So from there you can say, if a simple pendulum they are complete one revolution, if this is x here 11x, so from there you can say 11x into n is equals to how much, that is 10 x into n plus 1, like that done. And if you solve this, so it is how much, it is nx is equals to, that is 10x, and n is equals to 10 done. So if a pendulums they are oscillates in t time 10 oscillations or 10 complete revolution, so B pendulums they are complete how much, 11 oscillations in same durations of time done. So their answer is what, their answer is, that is n plus 1, because they in questions they are asked for that is shorter pendulum, so that is 10 plus 1, that is 11, you can say complete and 11 vibration, either you can write. Okay, thank you.